Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video, I'm going to add the operator cover, handle, and screen. Here's the hardware bag that was provided with the window. Inside this bag, we will have our operator cover and handle. The first step when adding the operator cover is to remove the T-handle that was sent with the window, and the cover will snap onto the operator. The next step is to add your handle onto the operator. Ensure that it's placed correctly so it folds onto the casing, and then with a flathead screwdriver, tighten the set screw. The next step is to fasten our hinge locking screws. These screws are located in your bag with instructions if needed. They will prevent the hinges from coming out of adjustment. You'll have to open the sash all the way to have full exposure of the hole in this hinge. Only once the hinges are adjusted, add the hinge locking screw to the hinge. You'll have to do this for the bottom hinge and the top hinge. Now I'm ready to install the screen and the screen clips. To begin with, I need to install the screen into the window. Next, I can install the screen clips that were provided in the hardware bag. The screen clips are going to be installed on the inside of the window, fastened to the jamb with the self-tapping screws. I've now started the self-tapping screw. I can position the screen clip just right and hand tighten this screw to prevent damage to the frame. Now follow the same process when adding the second clip to the other side of the window. To recap, I've now added the operator cover with handle, the screen, and the hinge locking screws. In the next video, I'm going to show you some of the services that you can perform on this window.